mean, it's a good game, but, you know, I had a good game, but lose the game doesn't count.
Did you realize you had pretty much career numbers across the board for yourself?
Yeah. But still, we lost the game. I mean, we know who we play against. You know, we know we play against world champions, and they're playing well and they're great. But still, I think we had a better game in Los Angeles than here. We can't do that.
You do a fairly decent job on Kobe, Powell, Lamar, and then Matt Barnes goes and goes 7 for 7.
I mean, that's how they play. They got guys that can make shots. That's why they're champions. They got a deep bench. They got guys that come in and score. So.
Coach said he wasn't certain just how much you had played over the summer, and that you maybe still needed some time to get your rhythm. Do you feel like that you have sort of progressed in that area and you're more comfortable?
Yeah, I'm gonna try because my biggest problem in my career is consistency. Because I always used to have great games and then next game I come out flat. So. I'm gonna try to work on my consistency this year, trying to just keep playing hard, and just not worry about score and stuff. Just come out there and play. Like today, I just came out and played, didn't think about it. Good stuff happens.
Is some of that having confidence in yourself too?
Yeah. So like I said, working with the coaches a lot too, because they're watching the tapes a lot, and my base was kind of off balance. Those few games that I missed all those shots. So we talk about working before practice, after practice. My base is supposed to be a little bit wider. That's how I have better balance and better shots. So we did work on it too, and also confidence is there.
The Fantasy Forecast provides you with Timberwolves reports. I look at the week ahead in the Q&A section for the best NBA fantasy advice on the web. Every Monday on Timberwolves.com.